Okay, see, this will act as a demand zone. So what people will think that, oh, this is a demand zone, we have to buy here. No, it is not like that. No, people know they hunt the stop loss. First, they hunt the stop loss here. They want to move up, they will hunt all the stop loss at the bottom. Okay, this will act as a major demand zone. Okay, visibly we will see that this will act as a demand zone. But what they do is they will kick out all the retailers at this place. They will start hitting all the stop losses. Only then after hitting only they will start moving on the direction. See how why it is reversed from this level. Do you have any answer? Huh? See why it started falling. It is actually NG is weak. Okay, it started breaching all the zones. So supply breached again supply breached, again it went down. Okay, see how they respected this. Where we are getting the buy signal. Once we spot this buy signal, we have to wait for this blue candle. That means people have arrived. People are willing to buy. See, at once it won't go up. No, what they do is they'll show the direction. After that, they'll start collecting the orders from here. They'll put it in sideways. After that, they will collect all the buy order. After that, they'll try to move in the direction. But they have not taken this demand zone. Stop loss demand zone is this stop loss is not taken. Okay, sell stop means buy stop loss is not taken. Okay, same way see perfectly it supply it. They close it the supply, and after that again the next day on 10th, no, it has started falling from the supply only. Okay, this is just explanation. Okay, now we'll start with the how to add the indicator and how to insert the values. See, it's not a difficult thing. It's very simple. See, we follow a fixed range. Okay, market works on if somebody people don't many people don't know that they have a for intraday they have a range. Okay, the intraday the institutional peoples know they have range. They will work on those zones only.
No, that range will vary daily or
No, no. See, I have a tester level. See, I won't change. See, this is a Nifty chart. I don't change any ranges. See what is happening here. Market was somewhere here. What has happened here? I'll show you how to. I'm
no,
not
no. You,
changing
if
any.
market fall 1,000 points, then also range will be the same.
Yes, yes, you are correct. Okay, but the range will be the same. But how to calculate it? That is the matter. That we can get it in Excel, or I have an indicator also. But Excel is fine. Okay, I'll show the Excel file. Um, One second. I'll go. I'll open the price range chart. Okay. So this is my price range calculator. See, we need one for a retailer. No, we need one setup, and we have to stick to the setup. That is very very important for us. So this is the range. See? What is the range? Okay. Okay. You could see this. This is a different range that using a different range. Okay. But crude oil we are watching the same range only. Okay. Actually, it is moved out of the range now. No, it is moved to this one. It is moved below this one. Right. It is there in this one. Okay. And same way Nifty, no, you could see this. It is already moved down. We are somewhere here. I'll show you. Where are we? Go here. 22,648. 22,648. Anyway, I'll show you. I'll share the thing. Let us not get into suddenly get into those things and all. Okay, and okay. So first of all, now when you have given access, okay, I have given access. What I do is I'll close all these things. This is a chart for Nifty. Say I'm giving example for Nifty. Anybody wants any commodity? I'll explain commodity.
It's commodity, yes.
Commodity you wanted. Okay. Crude oil,
NG,
NG you wanted. Okay.
natural gas.
Okay. Okay. This is a natural gas. Okay. See, I'm just disabling this. Okay. First, you have to go to the your go to the indicator options. There you find the invite. This is a favorite, personal, technical, financial, community, invite only options. Okay. There here I have given access. Okay, I have given this access. Okay. Just click it. I'm just adding values once again. Okay, I got this indicator. Later, once if you want to trade crude oil, NG, so value is 306,
6.
306, 327. Already I've told you. Just write. See here, we can insert four values. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4 scripts. Okay, here if you give this, if you are selecting the third symbol, go here and change it as 3. Okay, now you will get the what we get is earlier you used to get only the signals on the chart. You will get it on a live chart. Okay, this indicator I'm not plotting it. I'll change it to the other one. I'll select one. Okay. Now what we find only you don't get the institutional zones. Once you select once we insert this on the third symbol, NG values have been inserted. Start value as lower start value will be lower value and higher value will be the end value, end price. Okay, then you have to select it on the third options. Once you select the third options, you will get all the institutional zones. What is the advantage of institutional zones? See how it is respecting here. Institutions, so they don't buy at any prices. They will accumulate. See, they will accumulate here. Any institutional zone, they will. One thing is they'll accumulate it once. After that, what they do is once they accumulate, they will know the direction. After that, they'll get into the direction. What will happen? The direction will come. The momentum will come. After that, what happens? It will hit all these targets. Again, when it comes to the demand zone, they will start collecting the buy orders. Here it showed that the buyer has arrived, and your follow-up also is received and seen. After that, they what do again the consolidation 1, 2, 3, 4. Again the consolidation. After that, what happens? There is a blue color again. Okay, means people are bought and it is ready to move upwards. See the momentum after this sideway, then it is going up. Okay, market works in this pattern only. What they do is they'll put it in a sideways, then they'll accumulate it in the sideways market. After that, they will show the direction. But we retailer people know we don't have patience. We wherever we see, we will sell, we'll create wherever you want positions. So that way it won't work. Longer period, you will not be able to see. At least you should not make losses. You have to protect the capital. Otherwise, if you want to trade all the whole chart with the India means with the price action, without price action is there, but blindly selling, buying and selling anywhere. We know that it is a supply zone, but why it is going up? In this cycle, it is a supply zone, and this was a demand zone. Okay, we need a lot of patience to trade any script. You can't trade all the scripts. You can't jump 4-5 scripts. We can't do that because monitoring is very much required. Okay. Here, what has happened? They have accepted this supply. Means they manipulated. See, manipulation happens. They showed the direction down. Again, it went up. Again, it fell down. Again, they what happened? They had a very big consolidation, right? See what is happening. Price is between this range only. It is trading. Okay, this we won't know. Plain chart, we won't know anything. Plain chart, we won't get any information. We get only these kind of information. This trend line I have driven once. I drawn long back. Okay, I just kept it. Okay, anybody see we can accommodate anything which you have a strong understanding. We can follow trend lines. Okay, now you see when you plot these levels, it it makes it gives us a very good information. It gives a lot of informations on the chart. You go back and you can backtest anytime. We don't change our
Oh yeah.
ranges. Okay, see what is happening here. First time it came here, bounced back. See where till where it is gone. But you should have a right capital because the momentum is very big, 12 points, 25 points in NG. Okay, you can go back anywhere, you can backtest it. The range is at the upper side. See, same thing. What is happening? You can go check it. See what is happening. What is happening? Why they want to consolidate the demand zone? Sometimes what they do is they'll hit all the stop loss, then it comes down. After that, it goes up. It's a market trick. So what has happened? These are all important levels. Okay, this horizontal line, no, it is important. It will go sideways, and the moving average also is there nearby. You can easily identify sideways. See why? How accurate it is. Exactly at the bottom, you are getting a buy signal. See, you can buy here and make some small profit, but again, you have to buy at these places only. You should not buy somewhere here and get trapped. You need to buy at the demand zone, and you have to wait it for a right signal. Signal has come. Here the follow up has come. So what has again happened? They taken again, they bought it and went up. See, it has touched nearby. It has given the target. Buying here, this is the next zone will act as a target. It's a small target. Okay. Anything, any doubts you can ask me. See, we are not going to change the price range. We will stick to the range. It may go to any level. It may go to 700 also, no issue. But we will stick to the range. We'll go shifting. If it is going above 348, you're going to shift upwards. That's it. Only you are going to add the values. Right? We have to insert manually. Okay. These are all back-tested levels. For stocks, we have something other different indicator. I'll show you. Some people trade stocks. For them, no, it is very difficult to find these ranges. Okay, you here, no, you can make us entries because it's a major demand zone. Major demand zone for NG, especially NG. Any doubt here? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yes, this now NG is in demand zone or still continue?
yeah. Good name, sir. Who's this?
No, no, Saravanan. Saravanan.
Sarona.
I'm asking
Okay.
about NG chart.
Okay. Yeah, it is at a demand zone only. It is a demand zone. See, we need to watch
Now
for a
now signal
closing.
change. Yes.
Yeah,
Now change it to buy.
signal has come. Yeah, it is creating. See, you have to wait for the completion of the candle. It is getting created.
Candle.
You could see this. There is the arrow. When the candle closes, completes, no, this 15 minutes candle. You have for MCX we have to use 15 minutes candle. Okay.
Okay. No, actually, in this case, when we have to start take the trade.
Yeah, okay, I'll tell you. Here you got a signal here. Say this candle got closed, right? This candle got closed. One thing is after this candle closing, you can take a pullback and take a small profit, or else you have to wait. You have to wait for the same range to come, where your stop loss will be very small. You take an entry here. It will give a lot of time. You have to wait it, and you have to collect the orders here only. You have to execute. Safe execution should happen here. Buying should happen here, or
Okay.
you can take a buy, but your stop loss will be very bigger. You have to reduce your stop loss. Buy signal, you have to have a blue color candle formation. Then it is ready to go up only. The script will
Okay.
move upside only. Means they have collected the orders. Okay, you have to collect. You have to see. You have to see through that your stop loss comes down. Okay, what is the stop loss? Say example, if you are taking entry somewhere here also you are taking. Here you have 5 rupees as a stop loss. This is also a very bigger stop loss. Okay, this is also very bigger. 10 rupees nobody we can place a mini lot. Okay, but this is small stop losses. Okay, yeah, you can plan your targets like this. 5 rupees. If you are entering somewhere here, you can book your targets. 1 is to 2, like that. 1 is to 3, you can plan it. For if you want to make bigger profits, no, you need to wait for a longer period. You have to hold the position with the stop loss, tight stop loss. If the stop loss is got hit, means that means the market is showing a different way. You have to travel in the same manner. Okay, you understood the buy signal?
Yes, yes, I understood.
Did you get
Yeah,
the
suddenly,
message? Huh?
mm, suddenly after sell, it suddenly increased to 2 points.
One more thing is we have to watch the sell at the supply only. We should not in between. We should not accept it because we should not take the sell trade. You have to find a sell trade at the supply zone. It's a basic common sense. If you get any signal at
Mm.
the supply zone, you can take that because this here nobody will come and buy at such an expensive price. Okay, you should
If
see.
sell signal generated in demand zone, what to
Yeah,
do?
you should not take.
Mm. Actually, in this last signal, if you see, it is single signal generated in demand zone only. Yes,
Here,
yes,
this one.
the stop loss 310.
No, no, today or yesterday?
Yes, today.
Today. Yeah,
Yes,
310. Yeah, it
the
is
last
good.
signal. Yes.
Yeah, see what has
Generated in
happened here.
demand zone.
Correct, correct.
Mm.
Your question is correct. But what has happened here? It has breached all these zones. This zone is breached. These are all institutional zones. Neutral zone is breached. Again, this demand zone is also breached. It is breached with a great big candle. No? So it is acting as a resistance.
Mm.
The buyers has not accepted this zone as a they are not accepted this price. That is the understanding. Here, what has happened here? They have breached the supply zone with a good volume, and this is acting as a demand zone now. That's the reason it went up. Are you getting?
No, I didn't understand this one.
See, your observation should be here. These are all zones,
Okay.
okay, institutional zone. What has happened? It is breached and closed below. How will you watch it? Go to the line chart. All closing below this zones only, no? It is not going
Mm,
upside. It is
yes,
breached,
yes.
no? Again, low high. See the structure, no? High,
Yes,
low,
lower. Yes,
lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low.
low.
What is the structure?
Mm.
Did you
Yes, it's
understand?
coming
No?
down.
Simple.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, structure is coming down. It is breaching the structure also. So what
Mm.
has happened? These two zones are acting as a supply now. Understood?
Okay.
People are
Mm.
buyers are failed to accept this zone. Understood? Thus still there is a confusion going on. It is revolving near the uh, moving averages. Okay. We got a sell signal. If you find the small stop loss, it is very small stop loss actually. No? You are entering somewhere here, very small stop loss, 4 rupees stop loss. It is already given 4 rupees. If your stop loss is big, you can avoid taking the trades. No point in losing big money. No. Any doubts is there? I showed you for NG how to insert the value. Okay, there are 4 symbols. We can switch over. See, now I'm in a natural gas. I can go to crude oil also. The values are already there. Only thing is you have to go here. Here you have to change. You have to select the symbol 2. Okay, that's all. You got your values. There are 4 scripts. No, we can easily plot your signals. You need to insert the value. Instantly, it will plot your. See, this is an operator. No, one such a big candle and all.
So what is this chart will change automatically after when we select the symbol number 1, 2,
Yes,
3.
yes,
Based on
yes,
that
yes.
chart will change immediately.
Yeah, yeah. It will.
We no need to open in the watch list. From the watch list, we need to open first.
Yeah, yeah. Just go here. If I want to go to. I want to roll back to natural gas. Okay, I'll load the natural gas symbol. I'll go here, and I'll change this symbol to 3. Okay, I'll get my natural gas.
Yes. Again, in the symbol itself, in the same chart, we can change to crude oil. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Same thing. Go here. Go to the search symbol search. Whatever symbol, 4 scripts are there. Minimum 4 we are given. That is more than enough. We can keep Nifty, Bank Nifty, and crude oil and NG. If somebody wants to trade bullions also, they can change the gold, MCX gold or MCX silver. Or if you are trading comics you have to go to spot. I'm going to gold. Okay, here I'll go here. I can change the values. One second. I'll try. One second. That's not this one. Okay, here it is. Okay, 29683097. Or else, if you don't have any idea about the price range calculator also, go to this one. I have an indicator called open eye low. Use open eye low. Go here, just insert this value. For few people, they have given 3075, and these value you have to insert 3180. This is only for intraday. You have to go select here. For basic now, you can switch off this one. So you will know what has happened. It's for intraday. Some people ask for stock. For them, this indicator is useful. Curious open high low setup. Okay, you will get a start and end value. You have to just go and insert it in curious main indicator. I have inserted here. Okay, the fourth symbol I have inserted is 3075 or 3180. So you get your all your zones and the signals. See, wherever the people know, they try to accumulate. No, this is the neutral zone. No, there will be some people will be buying and sell. You will not know. The accumulation will be going on. Same way here also. At this zone, they started accumulating. After that, it breached the zone and it started moving. See, same accumulation, stop loss hunting, accumulation was going on. After that, we got a buy signal, follow up is there, buyer has come, straight away it is gone out. But I've given as yesterday means yesterday I told to buy. Day before yesterday also I told to buy the gold only. I said not to sell. Any doubt is there? I think only Sarana was speaking. Others are silent. Any
Sorry,
doubts?
but in my chart, it is stop loss and target not showing. There is the problem.
First, please come back. Repeat
Hello.
your question. Yeah, repeat your questions.
No, this, in my chart, stop loss and target not showing. What to do? How to change? You
That
said I have older.
might be you are having a older version. I think you are not added your thing. I'll personally check your.
Oh, okay.
Any other questions for anyone?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, in my trading view, I am just able to see the bank nifty.
Okay.
I cannot see the nifty, copper, and crude.
How's it?
Demand zone and supply zone, I am just able to see the bank nifty one.
Okay. Now you want know about which strip?
Yeah, I wanted to know about bank nifty.
Okay, Nifty. Okay, Nifty chart. It is already there. What you do now? Go to
Yeah.
the indicator. Go to the indicator. Okay. Go to the setting. The first one, the middle one. Okay. Go to the setting. I've shared you the start and end value for Nifty. This is symbol one is you can find as a start value and end value, and same way for Nifty, Bank Nifty, I've given a value at the fourth. I've shared the screen, means the
Right.
screen in the group. Just go to it. If you're loading the
Yeah.
Nifty chart, select whichever. There are four symbols. No, in the first
Right.
symbol you can add Nifty start and end
Okay.
value, and select this one. Okay, it will get plotted. Okay,
Okay.
it will get plotted. Say example, if you want to go to Bank Nifty,
Yeah.
okay, I'm going to Bank Nifty. Here, I need to go to the Bank Nifty, and then I have to go here and select the symbol of 4. Okay,
4.
just
Okay.
just that's very simple. Okay, you have to
Okay.
use 5-minute chart. You're good at 3 minutes, also fine. It will be little choppy. I suggest
Okay.
you use it on a 5-minute chart. You'll
Okay.
get
5 minutes.
a
Recommended.
yeah.
Okay.
See, all my chart will be the same and your chart will be the same.
Yeah.
Well, I got a sell signal instantly. If you got a sell signal, see, one more thing is monitoring is very important.
Hmm.
Nowhere nobody will come. See, you have to monitor the signals on your own. Okay. If you don't have anything, you can put your alerts here. If you find a thing, if you don't have patience, if you have you're held up with some other work, put your stop loss. You got a stop loss here. You have to sell below here. Put your alert here. Whenever it pops up, you can take as an entry.
Hmm.
When it starts moving down, you'll be alerted. So you know your stop losses. You know your entries here.
Right.
So to calculate your stop losses. Say example, I'm using a spot chart. Say example, I calculated my I got 200 points of stop losses. It's a big.
Stop
See,
loss.
nowadays market is moving. It is moving somewhere. It's like a drunk. Okay, that
Hmm.
means how much point we are getting in options. You get it is 50 point,
Yeah.
100 to 100 points. 200 means 100 points you will get it. So you
Yes.
have to choose a strike price. So example, your spot is see the candle. You see the candle. What does it says? 51.28. Okay,
Yeah.
51.28. Or else go to the top. See the opening 51.52. So what is the strike price? 51 5100
Hmm.
because it's about two. No, so
Yeah.
5100 you can take put and you could have covered here. Same way, same way. If you got a you got a buy signal here, you got it. Okay, you got it. You calculate your stop losses. If it is small, you try to take entry. No worry. For 138, 140 points. Okay, 70 points target. 70 points in option and 70 points in target. See here whether it is reached the target. It has come almost 100 points. It has come. It would have
Hmm.
earned 50 points. 20 points you would have missed. Okay,
Right.
small target. See, this is how you have to win your trades. Okay, again you got a sell signal and your stop loss is here. See, because stop loss is very important in the market. You have 112 points. So 56 points, there is a target. How much? 56, it is come. Exactly, it is come here. It is gone above this one. But I told to sell. I gave you a signal also. Okay. I gave these two signals. I spotted this. I gave these two signals in the live market. Okay. You understood, no? How to switch over the script with the indicator.
Right.
You
We can
all
use copper
indicator
also.
all. You can load copper. No problem. See, whatever is there, you can load. It
Okay.
works on all. What I do is I'm since I've already built up this, I'm adding see two indicator. You can use it in a basic. Okay, I'm using this is a premium. I'm using a different two medium means more than two. If you
Okay.
have basic, you'll be able to add two indicators. So one you can keep it. So you eight indicators you can eight symbols you can plot it. Okay. Okay. Now copper we don't know. Okay, you go to the open ILO indicator. Just you'll get the range for the day. See, when the market is going beyond it, it shows us this is buy above. Okay, it is going beyond it. Say example, go to the calculator. Don't worry. See, gap up, gap down, or not. Don't nothing to worry. You have a values here, right? You have a values here. Okay, just calculate it. What is the difference between these two? I have the copper levels with me, but I'm just giving you a simple way of using it. 1 second. $792.30 and minus 825.75. Okay, 33.45%. Above 88, what I do is I have to insert 825.75. 1 second, I'll go here. I'll put it. 825.75%. Okay, what I do is 825 point. 1 second. So 33.45. No?
Yeah.
This will act as the end value 859.20. Go here, insert it because it is going out of the range. No? Basic common sense, nothing great, big ideas and all. Small basic things. 859.20. No? 859.20.
Yes.
Okay. What is the it is the third script. Okay, go to the third script, just load it. You switch off this one, you just get you all your raw things. Okay.
So last time you entered third script that NG value.
No,
This time copper.
wherever you're inserting, I'm using a different indicator. Means I've added two indicators. I told you we can add two indicators in basic. That first one is here on the top. Already I filled with Bank Nifty, crude oil, NG, and Bank Nifty. So what I did is I again added one more indicator. In that, what I did is
Same indicator second time.
Same indicator. Second time I had added this to third option. This is the copper values. Okay, so I got my copper values. Understood?
Yes.
Very simple. See, you are getting where it is where we are getting a buy exactly at the demand zone. It's a oversold zone. See, again we got a symbol buy here. Easily you would have got a stop loss here. Stop loss was very small. See the target where it is going. This is the opportunity. See, one win will give you. Please, we can wait for. Means it will be good for 1 week. 1 week. Such good trades will get it in the market.
Okay. Copper, we have to wait for 15 minutes. No, MCX you told.
15 minutes. You can go with 15 minutes.
Yeah. Okay. And NSE 5 minutes.
NSE 5 minutes. See there. Okay. See one candle gone up. Again, what has happened? Yeah, started there. It got opened. We got a signal. Again, we got a buy. See, again, we get a buy here only. See, we have to buy here only. See, again, it went up. Here, if you have bought it, the target has come. Your stop loss is very minimal.
Hmm.
This is the sideways. I told you, a consolidation going on. Moving
Yes.
average is also there. Exactly here you can see. See the small stop loss. Your target is met.
Hmm.
Correct. See, I told you that this will act as a demand zone and this will act as a profit booking zone because it has breached this level. Breached means it has broken that important level and closed above. And what will happen here? There will be it will act as a demand zone. Here, what they are doing, they are booking the profits. They book profits here. Whoever bought at the bottom, they'll kept the zone as a profit booking zone. People have to book the profits, right? Understood. See the buy signal here, small stop losses. See the zones also, how where it exactly it is giving at the perfect institutional zones only it is giving the stop losses. This is very important levels.
Hmm.
Here you can see the values are here at the end, y-axis. No follow-up. See, selling is coming. There is no follow-up. No follow-up. Once we spot sell, we need to have a black color candle. Only then we conclude that seller has come. Alright. Copper has given means I showed it. Showed an example for copper.
Hmm. Yeah.
See what has happened here. This is the zone got breached and started falling below the moving average. Zone is broken. We'll get fake buy signals and their stop loss will be taken. Understood? Don't get confused that why there is no buy, there is a buy signal and there is no follow up at all. You have to think in that manner. You can test any day. You can test same values, same values. Big consolidation at the demand zone, markup.
Sir, just show me the value of copper, no, which you have marked.
What do you need?
You have marked the points of copper, no? So just show me that, no, 825 or something.
Yeah,
And
one second. I'll show you.
870. Yeah, sure.
See, we have to see. I will uncheck this indicator. I'll. This is one more indicator for intraday perspective. Okay, intraday, not positionally for intraday. Okay, what do you get is these two values. You get it. These two values, we got it.
Hmm.
Okay, we'll get these two values. You have to insert it. That's it.
Yeah, right.
Understood. Now we'll remove it. Now I'll show you. You see, understood? For
Yes.
example, what we do is we'll go to NSE. Okay. We'll go to this gainer loser. Camlin, all bullish stock. Top gainers. We'll take Reliance. Any good stocks we can take. Okay, we'll take Reliance. There's a huge sideways today. Anyway, no problem. This data, no, it gets created on the closing basis. Okay, this data, this values, no, start value, end value. Okay, okay, I'm just unchecking it. I'm going to add these two indicators. Okay, what 1169.40, 1190. What we get is we get we have to select the symbol 4. We have inserted under fourth symbol. What has happened? If you have this kind of problem, no? What do you do now? Because we have a value share said it is below that, okay? Now the price is going trading beyond the price rate, okay? So what we have to do is you have to insert 1190 and 1210. Same range you have to use it. Same range you have to use it. 1190, 1210. Fine. Understood? Very simple. No complex things. You have to follow the same range. You have to plot it on the above. The same range you take it, just insert it on the start and end value. See what has happened. It has breached the supply zone, breached the demand zone, opposite demand zone. Again, what has happened? They breached it. They are again entering it here. They're creating position at these places. It hit the target. Your bought it here somewhere here. Your stop loss was here. It hit the target. See the supply, how it is happening. What is happening? Supply, no buyers are arriving. Okay. Okay, one more observation. Okay, what this and all happened. What has happened here? Demand, no? They have breached here. They created buy orders here. Again, they entered here. Again, what happened? The consolidation. They booked the profit. Again, they take an entry here. The opportunity comes. The only thing is you have to wait. You have to wait. Understood, Nitin?
Yes, sir.
No, very simple it is. Only thing is you have to adapt to the system. No complex, nothing. Here you are going to watch only the signals. You are going to watch the stop losses. Okay. You are going with the stop loss and targets. That's it. Always
So
book your small. Yeah.
I just checked my trading view. I am unable to add all the four. Only one bank nifty I have added. Rest three is not visible. So it's not updated.
No. Might be you are using a old version of the indicator.
So how
I'll look into it personally. You come on, you contact me. Will sort out personally. Okay.
I'll speak with you after some time.
Yeah. And one more thing is, see, I'll show you I'll show you on a bar replay. See, these are all chain candles. No, it is not in our control. We should not trade all these things. You have to be patient. One second. See, you can't trade all these signals and all. Such huge candles and all will get trapped. No, see, it got closed up. Okay, here, see, supply is coming. It hit the target. Again, I told you now. It will act as a support because they breached it. You should be brave to enter here. If you don't get a signal, means your signals also you can enter, but valid you have to keep. This is a tight stop loss. You have to enter somewhere. You have to keep the tight stop loss. Okay. Then you could see this. We got a signal. Hit our targets.
Sir, yeah.
Sideways activity. Yes.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah, tell me, Vishnu.
Sir, 20 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮು 20 ಇರಲಿ 20 ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಎಂಡಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ.
ಎಂಜಿನ್
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೇ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಎಂಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್.
ಹೇಳಿ.
20 ಹತ್ರ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್. ಟೈಮ್ 20
ಹಾಜಾ?
20
8 ಗಂಟೆ. ಹೇಳಿ.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ.
ಹೌದು, ಬೈ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೆಲ್ಲು ಬಂದಿದಲ್ವಾ?
ಅದು ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಬಂದಾಗಲೇ ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ, ಈ ಸೆಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ನಾನು. ಬಂತು, ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಬಂತಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದನೂ ಬಂತು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಏನ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಾನೇ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಆಗಿರೋದಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಬೇಕಂತ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ? 143, 106, 25 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು.
ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಹೌದು, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ತಾನೆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಝೋನ್ ಇದೆ, ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಕಲರ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, 25299 ನೀವು ಇದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ.
ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರು ಆಗಿರೋದು. ನೀವು ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಝೋನ್ 5246 ಅಥವಾ 5233, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇದು. ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಂಗೆ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಲಾಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಚೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡೋದು. ನೋಡಿ, ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಜೊತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಸಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ್ರು ಹೊಡೆದಾಕ್ತಿದ್ರು. ನಾನು ಏನಂದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಫುಲ್ ಇದು ಮೇಜರ್ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಝೋನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಡಿ, 5119 ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಬೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಟೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಈ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್. ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಆಟಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ, ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಾನು ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಏನೋ ಸ್ಟಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಮಾನಿಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ, ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಸೇಲ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಅಲರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಅಲರ್ಟ್, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಟ್ರಿಗರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಹೊಡೆದಾಕಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನೀವು ಅಲರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಸೆಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಟೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವುದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕು ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಈಗ ಬೈಕಾಲ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮೇಶನ್ಗೆ.
ಹೌದು, ಬೈಗ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟರ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಇದನ್ನ ಟೈಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಬೈಕ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಈ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ನಾವು ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಝೋನ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ತಾನೇ ಬೈಕ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು.
ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದು ಹೊಡೆದಾಕಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಎಂತ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಹೊಡೆದಾಕಿದೆ ತಾನೆ, ಈ ಝೋನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊಡೆದಾಕಿದೆ ತಾನೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಹೊಡೆದಾಕಿದೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಹೊಡೆದಾಕಿದೆ ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಇದು ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ,
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಡೌಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ದು?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು any doubt to be clarified in Hindi or English or Tamil, you can ask me.
Sir, when should I call you, today or tomorrow? When can I call you, today evening or tomorrow?
Today you can call anytime after.
Okay, I'll call you after 6:30, sir, because only Bank Nifty I can add. I cannot add all the 3 or 4 numbers.
No, I'll support you. Don't worry about it. But see, and I'll tell you one thing. See, I've given it free access to you.
Yes.
Okay, it is your duty. You have to understand the things. When you get a good understanding of the things, definitely you will make money. No doubt about it.
Yes.
Your investment is your understanding. I have given a free access. Okay.
Yeah, right.
As my contribution, I have given. See, people, I can't demand every time, but I can give it. People who are willing. It works on intraday, it works on swing trades, it works for positional trades. You can play it in options, you can play it in bitcoins, you can play it in options also, you can play commodity, you can use it. Yeah, everything works. Valid if you have a premium, go to the bar replay, You can watch anything. Copper, you see, but see coppers. It works. You can gain confidence. If you have premium, you watch it. Once you gain confidence, no, you will not have a fear in mind.
Right.
When you know the stop loss, you will not have a fear, and you should be ready to lose in the market. But
Yeah, right.
value to
That's
it,
the main.
you have to lose the which you can withstand it.
Yeah.
Okay, that is very important. See, stop loss is very important in the market.
Hmm.
See, the gold also you could see. Okay, I've tried to see. I've tried to support you in terms of adding the indicator, adding the values. No, nothing great and all. If you, I've given this indicator for intraday setup. People
Hmm.
are worried about the intraday setup. Use the indicator. You will get a start and end value. No need to depend on me. Just
Right.
open it. Only thing is, if there is a gap up or gap down, only then there is a problem. Only thing you have to calculate it manually. You have to find the range manually. A gap up, gap down happens, no, you will get this value, you will get a normal value. See,
Hmm.
if the price is trading above this, you just add between these two there is a difference, right? You
Yes.
add this
Yes.
difference value to the 3180 and you will get the other end value. You put
Hmm.
it as a start value and the other end as an end value, then you
Yeah.
plot it. You get your the institution zone, and signals will be there. You get it in the live market. It is not a big problem.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, simple thing only I've told. I've not told you complex things. Only thing is here you have to put your alerts. Once you spot the signals, you spot the stop line. You put the yeah, alerts. Okay, stop loss alerts or target alerts. The green color will be a target alerts for sell side. No, you will get these two. Say example, you got a sell. This is the stop loss, and this is a target. See the targets. It's not hit the target. I mean, stop loss for sell. It hit the target. First
Yes.
target. Well and good. You spotted the black color candle or sell signal, both the signal. You got a closing signal, black color candle. You enter here or enter here. Your stop loss remains the same. This is your stop loss,
Hmm.
right?
Yes.
This is a target. This is a target.
Hmm.
As simple as it. The manipulation happens.
Hmm. Yeah. Right.
Manipulation. This is a manipulation. No, this is see. This is a short covering. It came down. They booked the profit. Again, they entered.
Yes.
Any doubt for anyone?
No, sir.
We'll see. People who are serious, who has a right capital, need not worry. There is always a day, another day. But valid that you improve your knowledge. I can't be there forever. Okay, I can give you something what I've overcome in last 9 years. Okay, and one more thing is your position sizing is very important. How much you lose, how much you have to keep the position size. That matters a lot. You may have a golden setup, but should have a right position size. This is very important. This is very important. And one more thing
Can
is,
you open
I
the
can start.
NSD chart again?
Yeah, I'm showing the Nifty chart on the. I'll show you the positional charts, daily charts. See the bitcoins. This is a bit of beauty, no? See the supply zone. Easily you can make 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees. Selling at this zone. What? How much points you got? 82, 800 points you got it. Not 800. 800. Okay, but okay, 500 to 600 points you easily got it. See here also. I give a hint. Buy signal. Stop loss is safe. Perfectly if you have taken above this buy signal. See how many points it is more. 81 300, 82 800. Hmm? How many points? 81 300, one is 82 800. 1500 points. So 86 rupees. This depends on the lot, but I'll tell you. 1500. into 8 rupees 60 paise. So 12,900 rupees you would have done in bitcoins. If you are traded in bitcoins, the lot size 0.1. Okay, 1/10. I'll show you about the Nifty chart. One second. I'll go to daily. On the daily basis, also you can plan your trades. I'll clear all these things. See what has happened here. I'll not show you because a lot of mixes are there. Because this market now, Trump trade war is going on now. A lot of volatility is being created. Positional traders, sell signal, stop loss, your entry below this candle, black color candle, see the rally down. It's on a daily time frame. Okay, swing low, you got a stop loss here, but it is a downtrend, so it is not giving a any bullish activity. It's not a downtrend. Any stocks you can share me, I'll tell you how to play. Any stocks, I'll tell you. I can predict dates also. For Bank Nifty, I have told you about 1st April and 15th April. Okay. What is 1st April? What is the low?
Can you open IDFC first?
Yeah, 1 second. This is 1st of April. Oh, this is okay. This is the 1st of April. Okay. See this high. Oh, lot of things are there. I'll show you. I'll give you an example in a different chart. 1 second. IDFC, no?
IDFC first.
1 second. I don't want this one. I'll talk about a different one. Yeah, your chart is visible.
Yes, now visible.
Yeah, okay. IDFC First Bank. Okay. Yeah, tell me. We have a buy signal on a daily chart. We got a buy signal that is bullish. Very simple, no? We got a buy, we got a follow, and it is moved up.
No, for long term, can you say can we predict the long term, how it will be?
We can predict, not a problem. Yeah, what do you want here? You are looking for a positional trader.
Yes, no, already I have the position in IDFC. That's why I want to know. I'm holding my holding price is 80.
You can hold it. See, we got a buy signal also. You want an ideal target?
Yes. How long it will take to reach the 80 rupees?
See, we have to analyze in a higher time frame. Okay, we have to have should know the structure.
No, we can say no. Currently, it will go further down, or it will
Yeah,
reverse
I'll tell
now.
you. I'll tell you. One second. I'll give you some hint about it. Okay, market is here. Actually, it is at the resistance. Okay, what do you need to do is you have to insert the values between these two. 28.73, 80, 64.33. Yeah, 63.33. Okay, where we have third. Okay, so this is the structure, market structure. Okay, it is at a demand zone. If you what we can expect. Okay, if the worst, see, it has already breached the supply, means demand zone, but it is acting as a major demand zone. As I said, no, see, there's a lot of consolidation happened and it breached, it broke upside. Exactly
No,
at the
actually,
supply.
this red color this the box that indicates the sell zone. No, you are saying is the demand zone.
No, demand zone will act. See, this is this cycle, upper black color horizontal line, and this horizontal. This is the range for this script. Okay, but what has happened? It has rejected this zone. It's a premium zone. Okay, premium. It is a highly praised zone. People will offload. They will book the profits here, and what they have done? It was they booked the profit here. Okay, and after that, what happened? Again, it came to the demand zone.
Yes,
Okay,
demand now green color. Yes.
and it came to the demand zone. What is the style? Its history. Again, they got consolidated. They consolidated to move up. So it is a bigger demand zone. This is a bigger demand zone. Understood? You go back now, you have to know you should have a right structure. Perfect now? Perfectly they are getting sell signal. Again a consolidation. Because it's breached now, it is acting as a sub demand. It is acting as a demand. What has happened after that? Closing below this one, they started falling. Again they started buying here. Accumulation. Again they what did? Whoever took here, they kicked all those guys out. I told you major demand zone. Again, they accumulated it here, some stocks here. Okay, moved up, markup, again, respected again. When you know the structure, no, you'll make easy. You can easily make money. Only thing is you have to wait. Like Warren Buffett, no, you will be waiting for right price to arrive in the market. The right prices come here. What is what is the major challenge here? This is a greatest price is this one only, 36 rupees. Okay, now it is acting as a demand. This is acting as a demand. If it breaks and closes here, it will hit here, and it will go down to this one, 23 rupees. What is the? It's a bigger support now. It is acting as a bigger support. It should hit this low. 70 rupees it has to hit. 67, 70 rupees it has to hit. No way.
Okay.
Otherwise, it has to go down. It has to hit 36 rupees. Very simple. Now you saw now how means you should have a right knowledge. That's what I told you. You should have a right knowledge. How quickly you gave me one script, I immediately I showed you how to plot the levels. This is for position. I'm in a daily chat. Okay. For intraday perspective, we should have that is a different concept. Okay.
Okay.
One second. Where is it? Okay. You got crashed actually. One second. Nathan, you understood now how I plotted for IDFC.
Yes, I understood.
Now what I do is you should have one setup. You should have. That's what retailer fail because he will be jumping here and there. He'll be going on from one another to another, one setup to other setup. That is where he gets misleaded. Okay, simply means I've given. See the natural gas how it is fallen. I can give a hint. You have to follow. You have to manage your risks. Okay. We understood now. Our sell signal trend line supply did not close above this one.
Natural gas stop loss hit now as per the chart.
No. It is traveling in the NG is traveling in a bearish only. Wait, let us go to this one. Crude oil. Once again. See, any people facing problem, you can ping me. I'll help you out. Don't worry about those things. Now we understand the concepts. What is happening? How to load the indicator? How to use it? How to insert it? Those things you just basic things you just follow it. Market will be there forever. Don't worry. If you are not able to trade today, you will be able to trade some other day. Don't worry about it. Opportunity is open. This is a sideways. Crude oil fell. What happened to copper? Anyway, let us not get into copper and all. I already shown this. It's bullish. Okay. My crude oil is in a sideways. Natural gas already the supply is already breached. Any pullback here you can sell it. Here you can sell it. Your stop loss will be this one. 310 only. So you have to create somewhere. If you get an opportunity here, you can pull back. You can short it. Okay, I think I've explained something. I don't know. Only three or four people are left. I explained as much as I can. Sarvana, either doubt இருந்தா நீங்க அப்புறம் பேசுங்க என்கிட்ட. விஷ்ணு ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ.
Okay.
Nitin, Nagaraj, I don't know. Nagaraj was silent. Nitin, I have explained you everything. Okay. You just I have given access to you. You try to follow up. 1 or 2 scripts you can follow up. Gain some confidence. Okay.
Okay.
Anything there, I will support you. See, I share my levels. I can't be online every time. Whenever I find time, when I see, I'll post you the chats. When I have confidence, I'll give you the calls. Sometimes I also do some mistakes and all. The thing is, you can recover. See, when the market is showing some direction, stop loss and all it, you can go with the market. No harm in it. The only valid thing is you can just recover your losses. Go with the market. Stop loss hit. Go with the market. We can close the session.
Yes, sir.
I think almost 1.5 hours I have taken a session. Anything is there, you can ping me to me in this group only. It will be open. Okay. Any doubts, any clarification, one-to-one, anything, any support is there, I'll definitely support you. Okay. Don't worry about it, but make use of it. You see, I'm not going to be there forever. You have to gain some confidence. You have to invest in yourself. Okay, we'll give some opportunity. We'll try to support you. You have to take advantage. Okay, we'll close the session.
Okay, sir.
Okay.